Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to use the dimension tool. We can use it to measure and plot dimensions such as distances, angles, and radii. To measure or plot a distance, first select the dimension tool from the toolbar panel. Here we have a few options to choose from: linear dimension, angular dimension, or radial dimension. Let's use the linear dimension option. With the linear dimension icon selected, hover your cursor over the path line. And now click, hold, and drag to plot the first linear dimension. You will notice that Illustrator automatically creates a separate layer designated for all our dimensions. To hide all dimensions, just click on the eye icon on the dimensions layer. And here we have our first aligned dimension. Another way to plot linear dimension is to select the first anchor point manually. Next, click on the second anchor point, and then hold and drag to plot the linear dimension. To change the style of the dimension line, text, and more, first select the tool options. Now change any properties that you wish. Let's change the unit, line color, font family, font size, and extension line type. I recommend experimenting with all the settings to become familiar with their functionalities. And here is our new dimension style. To change the dimension style to its default settings, select the Tool Options icon again. And now choose the Reset button. To plot an angular dimension, first be sure the angular dimension icon is selected. Now click on the first path line, next click on the second path line, and then drag your cursor to a desired location. Let's do it again. To plot a radial dimension, first select the radial dimension icon. Now single-click on a path to display radius, or click on a path and drag to display diameter. Keep in mind that the dimension is always plotted from the path line. Modifying the stroke alignment will not affect how the dimension is applied. And now let's plot a few more dimensions. First, select the dimension tool. Now choose the type of dimension you wish to use. Let's create a linear dimension first. Now click on the center point of this circle, and then click on this anchor point to plot a linear dimension manually. Now choose the radial dimension to plot a radius. Just single-click on the path. Next, switch to the angular dimension tool, click on the first path, click on the second path, and drag to plot the angular dimension. Switch to the linear dimension tool and plot a few more dimensions. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.